no such language. I'm sorry. It's not there.
आपके कहने की ये मकसद है कि हम इस केस को किसी रेगुलर बेंच में नहीं भिजवा सकते लेकिन फुल कोर्ट में भिजवा सकते,
Yes.
ये आपका कहना है?
Yes.
तो रेगुलर यू
Yes. नहीं, वो इसलिए मैं जस्टिस मजहर से I know he's saying I agreed कि it's a regular bench. मैंने trifurcation कहा है, my lord. Full court still exists. Please don't take.
No, I understand that.
Yes.
We don't say that फुल कोर्ट की बात भी आपने नहीं की है. मैं कह रहा हूँ कि जब वो जाएगा तो वो तो रेगुलर बेंच की ऐसे से सुनेगा ना, बिकॉज द 8 जजेस आर नॉट पार्ट ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल बेंच. सो दिस इज अ मिक्स एंड मैच ऑफ रेगुलर जजेस एंड द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल बेंच जजेस.
If you pass an order, your lordships have the power. Please don't underestimate your power. If you pass an order that these petitions are to be heard by the full court, there is a constitutional duty on every executive and judicial authority to comply with that order. I'm sure the registrar will ensure that in light of that matter, the cases will be listed for hearing before the full court, which will be convened. कल को अगर 27वीं आईनी तरमीम आती है और पार्लियामेंट ये फैसला करती है कि an executive officer will sit above the Supreme Court and decide all cases finally, can you not look at it? Of course you can look at it. You will have to look and examine the scope of that amendment in exercise of your judicial powers.
Nobody has declined to hear your merit case or 226 amendment challenge.
Your Lordship, I am addressing.
कह रहे हैं आपसे कि हम नहीं सुन रहे इसको, मतलब if you want to argue on merit, obviously we will hear your case whether the constitutional
Merits की मैं बात नहीं कर रहा.
in accordance with the basic structure and scheme or not. That is
Lord,
basic
my Lord,
point of your challenge.
मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि आप लोग जो observations आ रही हैं from some members of the bench,
No.
कि हम अगर चाहें भी आप हमें रास्ता दिखाएं, मैं कह रहा हूँ रास्ता है, प्लीज इस रास्ते को लें आप.
नहीं.
This is the submission.
It is your argument if somebody imposed some executive on the Supreme Court and we cannot allow or we cannot hear that challenge. It is not the case. Still we can hear. You can start your argument on merit right now on the main petition if you
No,
want.
my lord, first.
So कोई issue ही नहीं है.
जी
आपको सुनते हैं. If you will be able to convince us whether it is against the basic structure and the basic scheme of the Constitution, this is the only ground for striking down the constitutional amendment in.
salient features पे मैं नहीं आ रहा. एक और मेरा नुक्ता है which I'd like to convey now कि मेरा जो challenge है